Basil here with Basil's Garage. Behind me is a Chevy that we just finished up for All Risk Shield. This is a private fire company truck that we built out for them. We did a flatbed and power system and a really cool integration with one of their pumps in the back end of it. This truck's going to live up in the mountains of Southern California and actually get stationed at private homes throughout the region during high-risk fire events. It's a bit of a prototype unit for them that we're trying out, maybe building a couple more, but really cool truck. Let's jump into it. So the big thing we did on this truck was a tray conversion. This is a tray from Summit Expedition Trucks. So it's a manufacturer that we work with that we're able to build full custom tray solutions. So we worked with this customer to figure out how we could integrate their pump and tank setup into a tray. So we built these custom upper side boxes. So these are fully opening side boxes that you can use for storage. And then in here, we have a pump and tank setup with a rack up on top of the pump. Trays are awesome. We're able to fully relocate all of your sensors. So the parking sensors, blind spots, and taillights all function perfectly. This also has a massive drawer below it. So these can be optioned with either a drawer and water tank or just a drawer. So this is a 7-foot long drawer below it that pulls out. There are also toolboxes behind and in front of the tires that can be utilized. And then obviously the big storage boxes down both sides as well. Inside the storage box here, we built out a full power system. So this is a full Redarc system. It's got a 150 amp hour Alpha battery, 2000 watt inverter, DC-DC Alpha 50 charger, as well as USBs, USB-Cs, and then lighting throughout. So we've got Kingpin lighting on both doors that rotates, that's white and red. We've also got a flush mount 45-degree Baja Designs Squadron back here, and then an additional one in here is a cargo light circuit, and then another 12-inch Kingpin up on the headache rack to light up the rack. Simple lighting package for it, really utilitarian and practical. Down on this side, additional storage box. Tons of place for gear. This is a fully dustproof and waterproof storage box. And then down inside of here, we mounted airline track. We are talking with them about building some shelves, but they wanted to take the truck back to be able to kind of fit gear and see what they wanted. And then we'll build some dividers and shelves throughout here to kind of better integrate their gear into the system. You can see the Kingpin light over on this door as well. Other than that, that's about all we did on this. Mostly focused on the tray and power system on the back end of it. We did sneak a pair of airbags in underneath it. The valves for the airbags are below here. That's just to give them a little bit more load carrying capacity, especially with the pump setup in the back of it. This is a Q-Tac skid pump. So it's got a 300-gallon water tank with a pump and hose system into it. So hose pulls out, full integration. So pull reel back in, full powered, and then also all wired up. So they're able to start this thing up whenever they need to. Everything's wired off of the auxiliary power system on here. We also did a really cool strobe lighting package for them that integrates into the tray, boxes, and truck. So I'll jump up here quick and turn it on. Strobes turn on. We've got side strobes, rears, and then some up in the front grille. Everything power side that you see that we've done is all wired into the auxiliary power system that we've built. So all of the inverter and lights and USB ports and pump and everything are powered off of that auxiliary battery. That way they're able to leave this truck parked out in the field for days and not worry about draining down your main starting battery. The system has solar capabilities if they do want to add solar in the future, so it can stay static and charge whenever they need to. But yeah, something unique. It's a very practical truck. We really enjoy building practical vehicles here, so it was a cool project to work with them to build something that was very purpose-built and not just for travel, but has a very good purpose behind it. So as you can see, we build vehicles for more than just travel. This is a practical setup for all risk shields and for what they do with fire suppression. We're more than happy to help figure out how we can build a setup for you. It could be for utility or service work or fire or EMS or lifeguards or whoever else. We'd be stoked to help out and build you some sort of custom solution that works for you.